Alright, here I am in the town square, and the biggest thing I wanted to capture is the sounds of the birds. I hope you can hear it, but it's wild. Definitely birds, even though it does sounds like monkeys sometimes. I can't really see very many. I'll try and move the camera around so you can see some up in the trees here or whatever, but some big old thing up there, but they aren't very conspicuous other than their sound. Over there, that's a juice shop, and they're selling things like with parsley and zoconosle or something, you know, weird kinds of fruits and vegetables, all in your drink. Well, that's bird sounds. Talk to you later.